How to watch Telegram videos without downloading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to watch Telegram videos without downloading. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you're going to do is open up your Telegram. Once you open up your Telegram, what you're going to have to do is simply scroll down and find the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is turn off auto download so that the video that has been sent to you will not be downloaded automatically to your gallery. Head over to your settings menu first, and once you land on the settings page, head over to data and storage. Now you're going to have to find this save to gallery. So make sure that this is turned off, and then from here you could turn off these one automatic media download as well. So just toggle all of these off. And once you have done that, you could just go back and then tap on the video. So you could just tap on the video, and as you can see, the video will start playing automatically without having to download. And if you have been sent a YouTube video like this one, you do not have to necessarily open YouTube. You could just tap on the video and the video will play via Telegram. You won't have to open your YouTube app separately. So that's pretty handy as well. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.